Thank you. Throw that in the garbage?
Let's throw that in the garbage.
Can you throw that in the
garbage?
Thank you. Can you throw this in the garbage, please? No, that's the sink.
Garbage.
Can you throw this in the garbage, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Can you throw... No, Mommy wants to keep that one.
No.
Oh, okay.
The garbage.
Can you throw that paper in the garbage too, please? Thank you.
Awesome. Mama.
Oh.
Mama.
Thank you.
Mama.
Oh, that's too heavy for you, Bubba. Okay. All right, splish splash time. Say, are you ready for splish splash? You ready for splish splash?
Yeah.
Yes. You ready to get clean?